Hello everyone, I'm Lynn and I'm so happy to introduce you to another wonderfully beautiful Christmas release from Syberia Designs. I have tons of fun new products to show you, as well as examples that were made by our design team. We have a little bit of everything in this release, but there are definitely some must-haves in my opinion. To start with, we have the festive tree and wreath die set. This is quite a large die set. It has a tree that easily fills up an A2 card, and you can use it together with our new mini ornaments die set. These are, as the name suggests, quite mini, but they are so fun to put together, and they work perfectly to decorate your wreath and your tree from the previous die set. An iconic Christmas tree or wreath is always a good way to go for your holiday cards, and with die sets I find it pretty easy to mass produce some of these cards, so it's fun if you need to send a lot of them. I also love the addition of these mini ornaments. Next up, we have an addition to our postage line. On the left, you can see our previously released postage die set, and now we have some additions. These are the Christmas postage stamps stencil set and the Christmas postage stamps stamp set. They work beautifully together or separately, or of course paired with that postage stamp die and our previously released postage stamp stencil as well. You can easily pair them with some critters or some flowers to create really fun little scenes or just fun little arrangements with the postage stamps and the flowers together. I think they work beautifully. Now for something a little different, we also have the Christmas cracker die set. I think this is so fun. It's not to be used on a card, although I'm sure you can find a way if you're creative. But it's one of my favorite products of this release. I love the idea of making these for a Christmas party and just filling them with their jokes, because this stamp set that coordinates with it is a Christmas jokes stamp set. I think these would work really well on the inside of a card, but of course it's really fun to pull a joke out of a Christmas cracker that you made yourself. These are super easy to put together and also really fun to customize with different sentiments or die cuts as well. Next up, we have the Merry Mail stamp set and the Merry Mail coordinating die set. These are really fun little Christmas icon stamps that you can create patterns with if you want, or just they work really well with the postage collection as well. As you can see here, there is a postage stamp included in this stamp set as well, and I think it's just so fun to have all of those postage themed Christmas cards in this lineup. Last but definitely not least, this release we're also adding 3 new holiday themed sentiment dice, or die sets I should say. We have the Merry Christmas die set, we have the Festive Sentiments die set, and the Holly Jolly die set. I love how large that Holly Jolly sentiment is, and the scripty font on the Happy Christmas and the Joy to the World sentiments from the Festive Sentiments die set are also really, really fun. I hope you enjoyed this release as much as I did. You can find all of the information in the description below, and don't forget to check out our blog hub going on today to celebrate this new release and share more inspiration with it as well. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I'd love to see you next time. Bye!